Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is day 5 of 100 days of trading. Today I took a trade in gold in the London session and it gave me around 1:3.52. The logic and confirmations behind this trade is explained on charts. So let's come on charts. Here as you see on charts that I took a trade here. It was in the London session and I took a trade around 2 o'clock IST. As you can see here that the market first broke the support here. It broke the support and went some points down here. After going some points down, it just came back and retested the level. Here I was not interested because the markets is in downtrend, so I was expecting some shorts. So I was not interested in the trade here. As you can see that the market after going some points down came and retested the level. After it retested the level, market again went down. Here the scenario was like breakdown, retest and then sell. This was a scenario like this, and there was, by seeing the scenario, there was the liquidity of three types of traders: the traders who traded on breakdown, the traders who traded on retest, and the traders who traded on sell. There were liquidity of three types of traders. This was a scenario here, and if the market came down, and I was still not interested here. But my interest came here when the market, after the strong selling candle, again formed a strong buying candle. This was a strong buying candle was my first confirmation, and the second confirmation was this. If you see the market went down, it just in a downturn, it just not crossed the low, and it just could not make a lower low here. So as the market was not able to make the lower low, and there is a good strength in buying, and by seeing this scenario, I planned a long here on crossing of this support, on above the support. As the market came above the support, I just entered a trade here. As you can see that I just I just entered a trade here, and after entering, this was my target. So this was my target, as market gave my targets in 45 minutes. So basically this was my target, but I exited somewhere around here because I just don't want to risk my profits. So I just exited somewhere around this level. So yeah, this was the logic behind it. Again, I'll tell you that there were two confirmations. Confirmation number one was this, that there is a good strength in buying. Confirmation number two came when the market was unable to form a lower low. This was a major boost to my confirmation, and then as the liquidity was available here, and as you can see, market perfectly grabbed the liquidity and made a strong buying candle here. So yeah, this was my trade, this was my confirmation. This was a perfect liquidity sweep trade, and it just gave me 1:3.52. and from today onwards, I'm gonna show you my Exness PNL as well, so I can keep a track on it, and you guys can also see if this trade is taken or not. Just wait for, let it load. Let it load. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, so if you see that this was a trade logic behind it. Where is it? Yeah, this $15 trade. As you can see, it's taken on April 23rd. Here also you can see that this trade is taken on 23rd of April around 2 o'clock. Around 2 o'clock. Same as here. Around 2 o'clock, open time, close time. So yeah, I made $15 with a lot size of 0.01. That was my trade that was my trade PNL today. So yeah, this was all about this trade. I hope you guys have understood the logic and confirmations behind it. So yeah, this was it for today's video. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.